How to get 60% off Uber Eats coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Uber Eats coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website. In this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Uber Eats. Once you're on the website, just scroll and check out the offers: 10% off, $3 off, 50% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. After you get the code, you can click on copy, then click on redeem at Uber Eats. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. Once you're on the Uber Eats website, you can log into your account. Then browse through the menu and then select the items that you want to order and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you're going to get the discount in your order. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Uber Eats. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once we're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Simply Codes. This is also the genuine website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Uber Eats. So this way you can easily get up to 60% off Uber Eats coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.